Unbelievable. Ogenkere declares sits at home in the whole Biafran land until he takes over from Simon Ekpa. What is really happening? What is happening to this set of agitators? The absence of Simon Ekpa has really caused confusion in between the cabinet. Imagine Ogenkere declaring a seat at home because she wants to take over and become the next leader of the Biafran Republic government in exile. Yes, people have started talking, and one of them is the one you've seen on screen. And besides, this guy is going. In fact, the guy have said a lot. You'll be shocked at what he revealed about Ogenkere and why he declared this very sit at home. Stay back and listen to this very news. This is Ekpa'S Concept TV.
News that has been circulating by Ogenkere and his cohorts that they will be sit at home on Thursday and on Friday. Who said to be 13th and 14th. And I want you people to disregard that information. It is not true. What Ogenkere and his cohorts are doing is just to know if the Biafrans are behind him. And because they have lost their relevancy and they are trying to be relevant when they are not. And trust me, the government of United States has taken these acts legally. So Ogenkere and the rest of his people will be taken legally because of this deceit that they have been deceiving our people, Biafrans.
Wait. So this news is true. You know, a couple of days ago, I came across this news on one site like that Ogenkere said that there will be sit at home on Thursday and Friday of February. That is 13th and 14th of February this year, as in 2025. And when I saw this news, I just waved over it. I said, come on, this is a lie. This cannot be true. Omo, I'm just hearing that news is true. That Ogenkere imposed a sit at home in the southeast on Thursday and Friday. And then I'm asking why. Ogenkere, why? Wait. When I was thinking about this, the only thing that came to my mind was, is Ogenkere trying to make people sit at home because of Valentine? Maybe that is what he's trying to do. He's trying to make people to sit at home to enjoy their Valentine. You know, there are just some crazy things that, God, is this guy okay? No. I have never spoke like this about Ogenkere, but at this time I have to. Because of this single act he just exhibited. Telling people to sit at home on Thursday and Friday. For what? Well, when I saw that news, I quickly ran to Mrs. Ngozi Arabwe.
Now you can now hear the people talk. You can now see what the people are saying about Ogenkere and his many trickish attitude. This guy already, even when Simon Ekpa was in power, even when he has not been arrested, it has been long he has been eyeing that very seat of power. Now that he has that chance, that is why he wants to take it by force, despite not called up to take over. Anyway, my dear listeners, your own opinion on this matter will be very important. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to this channel so that you can be updated. Thank you for listening to today's news.